Ocean Shores, fun times. Don't really know what they're doing. It's a lot of butt action. Be a nice day. It's supposed to be cloudy, but
seriously, because we're Asian, it's okay.
he's still standing there.
He's still standing there.
Which Virgin just got her group photo.
That one that was like
embarrassing. Yes, it's been a very rough day at Ocean Shores. 5 o'clock. Nap time.
Let's take a picture of my crotch. Like that?
you don't have.
Is she doing it right?
So hold.
Keep going.
Hold for 20 seconds.
No, I just thought she was gonna get a good picture.
You jerk.
Wait, is that it? That was like 2.
It's like 3.
4.
Looks like you're gonna knee your head.
6. 7. Excuse me, I'm doing my exercises that
You
Dr.
only
Jane taught
get
me.
little pushes when your head's up.
Oh, sorry.
I want very good
Yes, ma'am.
hip lift. Thank
Deep
you.
I'm
pushes?
trying to work my abs.
Squeeze.
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 And squeeze.
I can't squeeze my
like my
time
bar class.
videotaping me.